What's up, all ya crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. A 2-box football break for you tonight. But first, the break trying for last night's break, giving away a $10 promo code. We'll randomize it 5 times. Here we go, number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is 1. Now we'll get the roster for tonight's break. And here we go, 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll paste the results against a list of teams in alphabetical order. And here is the roster for tonight. We'll start off with the Crown Royal. All right, good luck, everybody. Nick Boyle, promotion. DeAndre Hopkins, Matt Forte, Duke Johnson, and a rookie 2-color patch for the Raiders, Amari Cooper. Very nice, super short print, 21 out of 25. Congratulations, 1. Frank Clark, promotion, Sammy Watkins, Teddy Bridgewater, Spacer, Jamal Charles, and a rookie purple parallel autograph for the Panthers, Devin Funchess. Another super short print, this one 4 out of 25. Going to Alex. Jason Shipley, Devontae Freeman, Jordan Matthews, Demarius Thomas, and a rookie patch for the Redskins, Matt Jones. Redskins going to Ben, 56 out of 199. Andrew Luck, gold parallel, 24 out of 99. Going to Ben. Charles Woodson, Demarius Thomas, Spacer, Teddy Bridgewater, and a rookie auto for the Colts, Josh Robinson. Another one for you, Ben, 255 out of 299. And now Spectra football. Alright, now the Spectra Rookie of the Week winner, Jeremy Hill. Lions Golden Tate. Going to Mark, 43 out of 75. John Brown, rookie for the Cardinals. 107 out of 149. Going to Alex. Dwayne Bowe, Blue Prism First one made 1 out of 49. Chiefs going to Jeremy. Rookie blue prism die cut for the Ravens. Lorenzo Taliaferro. Super short print. First one made 1 out of 25. Another one for you, Jeremy. Chargers red prism. Antonio Gates. Going to Nate. Super short print. 2 out of 10. And another one for you, Keenan Allen, gold prism, 17 out of 25. First hit going to the Raiders, Khalil Mack, rookie pitch. Going to 161 out of 199. Jumbo patch for the Lions, rookie Eric Ebron. Going to Mark. 26 out of 199. Rookie 2-color patch for the Colts, Dante Moncrief. Going to Ben, super short print, 4 out of 5. Rookie patch for the Giants, Andre Williams. Going to Joshua, 182 out of 199. Dual patch, it'll go to the top team, the Bills, Sammy Watkins, Jarvis Landry. Bills going to Jeremy, 175 out of 199. Rookie gold prism patch for the Raiders, Derek Carr. Another one for you, 1 super short print, 2 out of 25. Redemption, oh baby, for the Giants, Odell Beckham Jr. Rookie jersey autographs, a blue prism. Very nice. Congratulations, Joshua. Whew. Rookie auto, red prism for the Panthers, Philly Brown. Going to Alex, super short print, 5 out of 10. Rookie auto for the Broncos, Isaiah Burse. Going to 187 out of 149. And we'll finish with an autograph patch for the Dolphins, Ryan Tannehill. Dolphins going to Rob, 39 out of 49. And that'll do it for tonight's break. Back at it tomorrow with the Flawless Football. Always a fun one. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.